Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about 9th standard mathematics, chapter 7, mensuration, exercise 7.2, part 1. First of all, we know the formula, the cuboid. Cuboid, these two types. First one is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth into height squared units. And second formula, total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 times of length breadth plus breadth height plus height length squared units. These two formula we have to use this 7.2 exercise sums. First problem, find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are length 20 centimeter, breadth 15 centimeter, height 8 centimeter. These measurements are length, breadth, height, measurements of the units are same. So here first problem, here length is equal to 20 centimeter, breadth is equal to 15 centimeter, and height is equal to 8 centimeter. These measurements are same, centimeter, length is centimeter, breadth is centimeter, height is centimeter. So lateral surface area of the cuboid, what is the formula? Lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth into height squared units. So already known, length is what? Substitute this value, length is equal to 20 centimeters. So substitute the formula, 2 times of length is equal to 20 and breadth is equal to 15 and into height is equal to 8. So squared unit, which means we have to use the centimeter square. So substitute the value 2 into 20 plus 15 is equal to 35 into 8 centimeter square. So 8 2s are 16. Up 16 into 35 into centimeter square. So multiply the two values. 16 into 35 is equal to 560 squared units, which means centimeter square. Next, second one, total surface area. Total surface area of the cuboid total surface area, you know the formula, 2 times of length breadth plus breadth height plus height length squared units. So already known, length is 20 centimeter, breadth is 15 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. So substitute the value. So 2 times of length is 20 and breadth is 15 plus breadth is 15, height is 8 plus height is 8 into length is 20. So square units, which means centimeter square. So substitute the values 2 times of 20 into 15, 20 into 15s are 300 plus 15 8s are 120 plus 8 20s are 160. So into centimeter square. So next just add the values in the bracket. So 300 plus 120 plus 160. So add pannina 300 plus 120 plus 160 is equal to 580 centimeter square, which means centimeter. This measuring units centimeter square. So multiply the 2 into 580 is equal to 1160 centimeter . 160 centimeter square. That's all. This is the first problem over. Next, second problem. The dimensions of a cuboidal box are 6 meter into 400 centimeter into 1.5 meter. Find the cost of painting its entire outer surface at the rate of rupees 22 per meter square. So idhula kuduthirukka and measuring units what's given here. Length of the cuboid box, length is equal to 6 meter. Height is equal to 1.5 meter, but breadth is equal to 400 centimeter. 400 centimeter. So you know that the measurements are same. So 6 meter and 1.5 meter, but breadth is 400 centimeter. This 400 centimeter changing into meter. So divided by 100. So 400 divided by 100 is equal to, so cancelling these two zeros, what's the value? 4 meter. So both the measurements are same. So length is equal to 6 meter, breadth is equal to 4 meter, height is equal to 1.5 meters. So you know the formula, total surface area of the cuboid area is equal to 2 times of, you know the formula, 2 times of length breadth plus breadth height plus height length squared units. So you know that the value length is equal to, substitute the form values in the given brackets. So length is equal to 6 meter, breadth is equal to 4 meter plus breadth is equal to 4 meter into height is equal to 1.5 meter plus height is equal to 1.5 meter, length is equal to 6 meter. So multiply the values. So 2 times of, so the squared units, which means meter square. So 6 4s are 24 plus 4 into 1.5, 4 into 1.5, which means 4 1.5, 4 actually 15 into 4 is equal to 60 ஸோ இங்கே 1 digit தாண்டி நம்ம பாயிண்ட் மார்க் பண்ணுறப்ப 6.0 வரும். 6.0 ப்ளஸ் 6 into 1.5 which means 15 6 are 90. ஸோ 1 பாயிண்ட் தாண்டி பாயிண்ட் மார்க் பண்ணும்போது 19 வரும். ஸோ 19 9.0. So these measuring units meter squared. So are the values in the given. So 2 times of 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 9 39. So 2 into 39 meter squared. So multiply 2 times 2 into 39 is equal to 78 meter square. So this problem, find the cost of painting the entire outer surface area at the rate of 22 per meter square. So cost of painting, cost of painting for 1 square meter is equal to 1 square meter is equal to rupees 22. So total cost of painting, total cost of painting, so rupees 78 into 22. So multiply the 78 into 22 is equal to rupees 1716 rupees. So that's all. Second problem over. Third problem, find the dimensions of a hall is 10 meter and height is 9 meter and length is 8 meter. Find the cost of the whitewashing the walls and the ceilings at the rate of rupees 850 per meter square. So the length of the hall. So you know the formula. Third problem, length of the hall, length of the hall. So the symbol L is equal to 10 meter. Breadth is, breadth of the hall B is equal to 9 meter. And height of the hall, height H is equal to 8 meter. So find area to be whitewashed. Area to be whitewashed is equal to, so this area is a formula, lateral surface area plus ceiling of the building. Ceiling of the building. Ceiling of the building. So you know the formula. So lateral surface area is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth, length plus breadth into height plus ceiling of the building, which means so length breadth squared units. So you know the values, length is 10, breadth is 9 and height is 8. So substitute the given value in the problem. So 2 times of length is 10 plus breadth is 9 and height is 8 plus again length is 10 and breadth is 9. So square meter, which means meter square. So just to multiply the values, 2 times of 10 plus 9 is equal to 19 into 8 plus 10 nines are 90. So multiply 2 into 19, 38 into 8 plus 90. So 38 into 8, which means 304 plus 90. Just add the values, 394. So already know the measuring units, meter square. 394 meter square. So cost of whitewashing, cost of whitewashing 1 meter squared is equal to rupees 850. So cost of whitewashing, therefore cost of whitewashing $394 meter squared is equal to 394 into rupees 394 into 8.50. So multiply the values, rupees 3,349 rupees. So that's all. So third problem over. Next, find the fourth problem. First subdivision, find the total surface area and lateral surface area of cube. So you know the formula, total surface area. First write the formula, total surface area of a cube is equal to 6a squared, and then lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4a squared. First subdivision. So already known the value 8 meter. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of a cube. So substitute the values. So 8 meter. So that is equal to A. So total surface area formula, total surface area of a cube total surface area of cube is equal to 6a square squared units. So you know that A is equal to 8. Just substitute the values. So 6 into A is equal to 8. 8 into 8. So 8 it's a 6 into 8 it's a 64. Just to multiply the values. 64 into 6 equal to 384 meter squared. Next, lateral surface area of cube. Lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4a square squared units. So 4 into a squared, which means a value is equal to 8 meter. So 8 meter into 8. So squared units, which means meter squared. So 4 into 8 8s are 64 into meter squared. So 64 fours are 256. 256 meter squared. That's all. Fourth problem. First subdivision over. Next, you try this of homework. Second subdivision and third subdivision. Next, fifth problem. The total surface area of a cube is 2400 centimeter square. Then find its lateral surface area. Total surface area. So total surface area of cube is 2400. So find its lateral surface area. We find out. So about total surface area of cube, what is given value? So total surface area of the cube is equal to, also already given values, 2400 centimeter square. So already known the formula, total surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. So 6a square is equal to 2400. So you know that a squared matter left side vechiko. So the 6 goes to right side. So 2400 divided by 6. So 6 table alla cancel pannina 1 6 are 6, 4 6 are 24. So already you know the again 2 zeros. So a squared is equal to 400 centimeter square. Next, find the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4a squared units. So already known the value, a squared value is 400. So just to substitute the value 4 into a squared, which means 400 centimeters. So 400. So 4 4s are 16. So again into 100, 1600 centimeter square. So lateral surface area final paniyachu. That's all. Next, sixth problem. A cubical container of side is 6.5 meter is to be painted on the entire outer surface area. Again I read the question. A cubical container of side 6.5 meter is to be painted on the entire outer surface area. Find the area to be painted and the total cost of painting it at the rate of rupees 24 per meter square. So area namakku, so side of a cube. So sixth problem, side of a cube A is equal to, so already known the value, 6.5 meter. Total surface area of cube is equal to, so already known the formula, 6a squared units. So A is equal to 6.5 meter. So substitute the value 6 into a squared, which means 6.5 into 6.5. Just multiply the values, 253.50. So meter into meter, which means meter square. So cost of painting 1 meter squared equal to cost of painting 1 meter squared is equal to rupees 24. cost of painting, cost of painting 253.50 meter squared is equal to, so rupees 24 into 253.50. Just multiply the values. So rupees 6084 rupees. Area to be painted 253.5 meter square, and total cost of painting rupees 6084. That's all. Next, seventh problem. Three identical cube of a side 4 centimeter. Three identical cube, which means 3 cube என்ன பண்றோம், one cube மாதிரி 3 cube இருக்கு. So 3 cube join பண்றோம். 1 cube of side is equal to 4 centimeter ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. So find the total surface area and lateral surface area of new resulting cuboidங்கறாங்க. So அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா 3 ஒரு identical cubeங்கறப்ப நம்மளுடைய ஃபார்முலா அப்ப 4 மீட்டர்ங்கறாங்க. each side of the cube is equal to 4 centimeter. So 3 identical cube, which means அப்ப ஒவ்வொரு சைடு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் 4 ஆல ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So area of total surface area of cuboid நமக்கு தெரியும், lateral surface area of cuboid ஃபார்முலா தெரியும். just substitute பண்ணுவோம். அப்ப again for seventh problem, the area of a side of the identical cube, side of a cube is equal to 4 centimeter. So என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா 3 identical cubes. So 3 identical cube na join the cubes. So join the three identical cube, we get a new cuboid. So length of cuboid, length of the cuboid, so each side நம்ம என்ன சொல்லிருக்கோம் 4 மீட்டர் னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். 3 identical cube, so அதனால 3 times ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோ, 4 plus 4. So இதோட measuring units centimeter. So 3 4 ன்னு ஆட் பண்ணோம். 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. அப்ப length is equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth of the cuboid, breadth பாத்தீங்கன்னா b is equal to 4 meter தான், 4 centimeter. And height h is equal to 4 centimeter. The total surface area of new cuboid, so total surface area of the new cuboid is equal to, so you know the formula, 2 times of length breadth plus breadth height plus height length squared units. So substitute the values. Length is 12, breadth is 4 centimeter, and height is 4 centimeter. So just to substitute the value. So 2 times of 12 into 4 plus breadth is 4, height is 4. So 4 into 4 plus height is 4, length is 12. So the measuring units centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So just multiply the values. 12 fours are 48 plus 4 fours are 16 plus 4 12s are 48 into centimeter square. So 48, so 2 into, just add the values, 48 plus 48 96. So 98 96 plus 16 112 centimeter square. So multiply the values, 2 into 112 is equal to 224 centimeter square. So lateral surface area. Next you have to find lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of surface, lateral surface area of the new cuboid. New cuboid. So is equal to, already know the formula, 2 times of length into breadth into height squared units. So you know the values. So substitute length is 12 plus breadth is 4 and height is 4. So measuring units square units, which means centimeter square. Just add the values in the given bracket. 12 plus 4 16 into 4 centimeter square. Just multiply the values. 2 4s are 2 into 16 32. 32 into 4 128 centimeter square. So total surface area of the new cuboid is equal to 224 centimeter square, and lateral surface area of the new cuboid is equal to 128 centimeter square. That's all. Thank you, students.